I think that maybe some people, not all, but some people are not understanding where I'm coming from in this video. So let me just kind of rehash where I'm at. This is in response to a video I did about a story of a couple from California who used a surrogate to carry their fetus to term. Okay? During the pregnancy that the surrogate was carrying, the couple got a diagnosis that there was a major heart problem with the fetus, and they decided to terminate the pregnancy. Now, by contract, the surrogate needed to terminate the pregnancy, otherwise, it would be a breach of contract. She broke that contract, decided to carry the pregnancy to term, and fled to Texas in order to have sort of like a legal refugee status. You know, they're trying to make me have an abortion. I don't want to. I'm going to go to a state that doesn't even allow that. She then gave birth to the baby, and the couple in California now wants the baby returned to them in California so they can get the medical care that they want, it needs. And the surrogate mom is like, no, my child, you wanted it aborted. I did a video about that, expressing my opinion on the subject. And a lot of people are in the comment section saying that I'm wrong, that the couple should have that child because it's theirs. I never discussed the legality of it. From a legal standpoint, yes, the couple should get the kid. It's their child. The surrogate is not the mother. It is not the parent. The surrogate had a contract with a couple to carry a fetus for them, and that's it. She doesn't get, in my opinion, parental custody of the kid from a legal standpoint. What I discussed in that video was the moral standpoint. My opinion that they didn't want this child. They wanted a child, but they didn't want this. Even my wife disagrees with me on this one, so it's fine that you disagree with me. They didn't want this child when they discovered that this child had medical issues. If it were up to them, this child would have never been born. The fetus that grew into this child would have been aborted. And I still maintain that the surrogate should have gone through with the abortion, and by not doing so, she breached the contract that she had with the couple. And legally standing, and I don't know, we'd have to talk to the lawyers, but I would imagine, legally speaking, the biological parents of this young boy now should probably get legal parental custody of it. But from a moral standpoint, I don't think that they should, because they were going to terminate the pregnancy. They wanted a child, which is why they hired a surrogate, why they contracted with a surrogate. But when it came down to this child having this medical condition, they said, no, we're going to terminate this pregnancy and we're going to try again. So why are you even fighting for the child, in my opinion? It's like, you didn't want this child to be born. You didn't want the child to suffer. You didn't want to deal with the medical issues that came with the child. You didn't want whatever the stuff is that you didn't want. So from my opinion, not from a legal standpoint, from my opinion, they shouldn't be arguing for the kid. They didn't want the kid. And I understand a lot of people are still going to disagree with me. It's where I stand on this. They didn't want the kid, so why the hell are you arguing for custody?